Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by getting the essentials in place, an Ubuntu ISO and Vmware installed. Once done, open Vmware and choose New Virtual Machine, pick Typical to Speed Setup. Point the installer at the ISO, choose Linux and Ubuntu, then name the VM. Make sure you allocate CPU and RAM now, pick at least 2 cores and 4 GB RAM for a smooth desktop experience. Also set a 25 GB or larger virtual disk, so the installer has room for packages and updates. Next, configure the VM hardware before booting the installer. You choose disk provisioning, pre-allocated for performance or thin to save host space, and pick UEFI if you need secure boot later. Configure networking. NAT gives internet access without host changes. Bridged exposes the VM on your LAN. Mount the ISO and power on the VM. During the Ubuntu installer, create partitions. Use guided LVM or manual if you prefer. Set username, password, and time zone. These steps control how the system boots and stores. Finally, complete installation and optimize the VM. After the first boot, install OpenVM Tools or VMware tools to enable display drivers, clipboard sharing, and better performance. Once configured, take a snapshot so you can return to a clean state before major changes. Enable automatic updates to keep the system secure. If something goes wrong, like a blank screen or missing network, first verify the VM uses the correct firmware, UEFI versus BIOS. Confirm the virtual NIC type.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.